guys, welcome to yet another vlog, and this one truly is super special to me, and that you must be knowing by seeing the title. So I am basically traveling tomorrow to attend the YouTube Shopping Accelerator event that is happening in New Delhi. I'll be telling you the whole backstory and everything ahead in the video, so make sure that you stay tuned. Abhi ke liye I'm just gonna be giving you a little bit of update. So today is the 6th of November and आज ही मैं वापस आई हूँ from my hometown. And in case you don't know, I'm from Bihar. So we have a very auspicious festival of ours, that is Chhat Puja, which is on the exact date जब ये event हो रहा है. So I was in such a crisis. आज I just came back from my hometown and आज मुझे इतना सारा काम करना है. I have to get done with the packing and everything because I am traveling tomorrow only. That is the 7th of November. 8th को we have the event to attend. So yeah, I am really hoping that this trip turns out to be something very special to me. And yeah, I am gonna be taking you through the whole thing, and I'm damn sure that you guys are gonna be enjoying it so much. So yeah, with that being said, let us just get started with this super fun vlog. Let's go! So I just went for a quick shower and also washed my hair. I wanted my hair to dry a little hassle free today, so I was gonna be using the Agaro Style Pro hair dryer. It comes with a detailed user manual that will guide you. Let me tell you a little about the product. So down below you'll be getting to see the temperature switch, above which is the speed switch, and then a cool shot button. Also you will be getting some amazing attachments. But first I'll just be trying my hair. The powerful AC motor creates an ideal airflow. I dried my hair 60% so that I can then style my hair using the attachments. This one is a concentrator nozzle with a comb. You can easily attach it to the hair dryer, and this comb will help you to detangle your hair with minimal tension. The best thing that it will help you to straighten the hair while drying only. The hair dryer also has an auto shut off function for overheating protection. Now this is a concentrator nozzle. This helps to focus airflow for precise styling and touch-ups. And then you'll be getting to see a third attachment, which is the diffuser. Now this diffuser will be helping to evenly and gently maximize the volume while keeping it frizz free. So isn't this an all-in-one product, and that is the reason I completely love it. Okay, so I'm done with blow drying my hair and it looks super shiny, as you can see. I'll be mentioning the link to this hair dryer by Agaro in the description box below, so make sure that you go and check it out. Now guys, let us just get started with the packing situation. So this particular day pe, I just had so many things that I had to do because I was gonna be traveling tomorrow. तो जो भी packing वगैरह करनी थी, I had to get done with all of that today itself. तो शाम को मैं आई थी to West Side to get a few random stuffs. You know, one thing that I had done good was that outfit and all I had already decided and ordered, तो वो चीज़ के लिए I was tension free. मुझे बस कुछ चीज़ें लेनी थी तो मैं वो लेने के लिए आई थी. I just got all of that, and you know what, during this time every single place was so super empty because of the reason that it was the Chhat Puja time. Anyways, फिर घर आकर के मुझे करनी थी पैकिंग, and you won't believe that वो करते करते मुझे रात के 2 बज गए थे, but I was happy that it was finally done.
The next day.
Okay, so this was the 7th of November and इस दिन finally I was traveling. तो मैं travel कर रही थी by Vande Bharat and it was a super long journey. It was going to be of about 12 hours. Long travels are definitely not my thing. I don't at all like it. But to be honest, the tickets were like so difficult to find during this time. And ये भी एक special train थी जो कि festivals के time पे run कर रही थी. So I was quite lucky about that. इस दिन literally मैं पूरे दिन train में थी and मैंने अच्छा खासा टाइम पास कर लिया था. But the problem arised when the train was getting delayed. It was delayed by more than 4 hours and I was so damn pissed. And you know, the moment I came off from the train, I was literally feeling so much motion sickness. But फिर भी I was happy that I finally landed in New Delhi. So वहाँ से I came to the place where we were staying, and then रात को we sneaked in some food. I was by the way staying at my cousin's place and हमने रात को ऐसे खाना मंगाया था. Do let me know, have you done this thing or not? फिर मैंने डिनर वगैरह किया and then I just went to sleep.
The next day.
Okay, then this was the 8th of November and today the event was going to happen. So I just quickly got ready, leaving behind all the chaos. I was just reaching to the location where the event was going to happen. It was happening in Aero City, which is so super pretty. So वहाँ तो luckily मैं time पे पहुँच गई थी. The main event was going to start at 2:30. But before that only Bahari I met so many creators and then we also had to stand in this long queue. But the fun fact that everybody in this queue was a YouTube creator. So the first thing that I got after entering was my ID card. I really can't tell you that I was on cloud 9 after seeing this. This literally gave me all the validation that I needed. And then once I entered inside the main event, everything was so super beautiful. It was completely YouTube coded. I had a cupcake and also tried out a few brands right there. And then it was the time for the actual event to start.
Hands together for our hosts this evening, Gurleen Pannu and Rahul Dua.
ओके रबर साहब से होस्ट करा लेते हैं, सिंपैथी तो मिल ही जाएगी लोगों को। पर आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये क्या तामझाम हम लेके आए थे, क्या शॉपिंग क्या। So everybody put your hands together while I call on stage Mr. Travis Katz, Vice President and General Manager, YouTube Shopping. Give it up.
YouTube आप सभी का creators का आभारी हैं।
You could be any type of creator, the breadth of products that, you know.
तो इसलिए मैंने ना इससे बोला कि मेरे को ये तुम्हारे डेस्क के फ्लावर्स बहुत पसंद है, इसकी लिंक भेजना मेरे को। मैंने लिंक भेजी, मैंने ऑर्डर किया। इसने मेरे बर्थडे पे मेरे घर पे भेजे वो फ्लावर्स। सो स्वीट, वो ट्यूलिप्स जो है तुम्हारी, मैं तुम्हारी टेबल पे देखी, तुम्हारी कितनी एस्थेटिक है भाई।
मिलके भी ना मुझे मिला, मेरी ये आँखों में तो देखो, मेरी ये आँखों में तो देखो। मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, हमको फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे। जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे नजारे हैं।
फोमो हो रहा है मुझे, मैं लिरिक्स को भी के पढ़ रही हूँ लिटरली। जी क्या चल रहा है?
I just want to give you guys a big applause for like just being the most incredible platform ever.
मैं पूरा दिन आज फोन चला के आई आंटी के साथ।